Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys special function setting. And today video title is guys how to take a screenshot in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to take a screenshot in Tecno mobile, so how to take a screenshot one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, how to take a screenshot. Open your device, special function setting. After special function setting friends, you want to use smart panel shortcut setting. So friends, you can use smart panel shortcut setting. So friends, click here gesture setting. First friends, we will on 3-finger screenshot in Tecno mobile. After on friends, you can take a screenshot with 3 finger, and you want to edit screenshot, you can edit your screenshot. And friends, if you off your 3-finger screenshot, you cannot take a screenshot in your Tecno mobile. And friends, now we will on smart panel setting. After smart panel friends, you can take a screenshot with shortcut setting. Swipe here friends right side, click here screenshot option, and you can take a screenshot without 3 finger. And friends, if you swipe here, screenshot setting is not here. So friends, click here this pencil icon, and friends, tool setting friends, you can add a screenshot. Click here, screenshot will add. And friends, now you can take a screenshot with shortcut setting. So like that friends, we have two options, smart panel setting and 3-finger screenshot you can use. And friends, one more option we have. Then swipe here, and friends, you can check here screenshot, click here, and you can take a screenshot without a smart panel and without 3 finger. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.